Today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices, dear ladies and gentlemen, crazy. What a nice reversal for Bitcoin and crypto. Now the question is this the beginning of a run towards the upside, or are we going to back down again? I want to talk about all of that. Still recovering here from a sickness, but it doesn't hold me back to make these videos. I mean, what else can I do, right? I don't know if you saw that. I posted yesterday, 23 hours ago, over on Twitter. Bitcoin textbook bump and run reversal. 23 hours ago, this post went absolutely viral, 622,000 views. And what you can see here is I was quoting from this, and it's very important to analyze this before going into what is going to happen next. And yes, by the way, I posted this video. It got less views than usually. You can see that here. The video 20 hours ago just got 61,000 views. The one 21 hours ago got 67,000. Usually I got around 100,000 views. That is because I uploaded two videos, one long-term outlook or midterm and one short-term outlook within a 1 hour time frame. And it seems like not everyone got the notification, which is sad, because like this was one of the craziest calls ever, where I post this bump and run reversal pattern basically in this video here. You can watch it if you missed out on it. And of course I also opened a trade, right? As you can see here, I took around $300,000 in a profit or so. The take profit set last night. I actually closed manually today. I want to talk about what I think is now going to happen. Let's go straight into it. If I'm showing you my charts, my trades, you can see the Ethereum trade is open, the Bitcoin trade is still open, but the short-term trades, I closed them. And you can see that here, that's the ones I closed, right? The long positions I closed there. You can see my take profit, which, like, look at the Ethereum take profit. It didn't get hit by $20. I woke up, I was so angry, I miscalculated. Same for the Bitcoin one. So I closed it manually here, and that's where I opened them, right? Just like literally before I made this video, which I just showed you here. It still went well, right? But instead of 300,000, would have been like $400,000 profits or so just overnight. Anyways, let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about what's happening. And in this video, which I just showed you, I was predicting this breakout to happen. And when it happens, I was predicting, of course, also that we are reaching here the top of the pattern, right? And that is exactly what we did. Now the question is, are we going to hit even higher price levels? Well, let's talk about that. And I want to urge everyone, if you missed out on it, it's just a 3-minute video. Watch it. You will see everything I said. And I said it here, just somewhere here, just right before the breakout, right? Now the question is, what can we expect now? Well, when in doubt, zoom out, as always. And I would like to zoom out on the daily candles. And what we can see here is really one candle with a huge wick towards the downside. And I'm telling you guys, it is, of course, still very possible. And I made a video about this scenario, about a more bearish scenario, an M pattern breakdown yesterday. I hope you watched it. So that is still possible to happen. But I just want to tell you, whenever we see a daily candle with a wick as big as this, usually that's a very bullish sign, especially in bull markets. You can see that right here, right? You can see that, let me delete it. You can see that also right here, where afterwards we went, of course, towards the upside, right? And you can see that, this is not the best example, but here you can see it. And the most important one, I mean, just in the recent history, was this one here. Also, a big run towards the downside, basically a bump and run reversal break. And we have here, and more importantly, right here. And what happened afterwards, we had a quick recovery. We never went down to these levels again and actually reversed towards the upside. So chart-wise, here is not so much to tell yet, but at least the daily candles are quite positive. I think this daily candle, it's not an inverse empire. It would have been nicer as an inverse empire, but it's still quite positive. Now, I would say, let me go back. it's still not the time to be overwhelmingly bullish. I would just wait for Bitcoin to actually close the daily candle above the 106,000 US dollar price level at least, before flipping a little bit more bullish in the immediate short term. Now I would remain neutral. Yes, I know that all of the traffic stuff is from the table, but guys, just relax. Where everyone was extremely bearish yesterday, it is just not right to flip extremely bullish today. We made nice profits with that one trade overnight. That is beautiful. My long-term trades stay open, but I closed that trade, these short-term trades, in a big profit, yes, but I closed them for a very good reason. It is still an indecisive time, and we need to wait for the market to decide. And I will make an update whenever that happens also. Now I need to continue to relax a little bit. I'm still not recovered at all actually, but I still wanted to get this video out. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.